Stop wasting 4 years on a CS degree. If you are from commerce, arts, or business background, I am going to show you how to land a data analyst job in next 90 days. The average starting salary for this role is 6 to 12 lakh per annum, and your non-tech degree is actually a secret weapon. Welcome to Karyabadi AI, where we help youth get job ready in high demand fields. Today, we are doing a full breakdown, month by month, tool by tool, project templates, resume tips, everything you need to go from zero to hireable in data analysis. Month 1 hooks you with foundation that covers 70% of interviews. Month 2 turns numbers into story that will make hiring managers say, when can you start? And month 3, that's your portfolio glow up and job hunt launchpad. Month 1 is foundation. Our goal is simple. Master the skills that cover 70% of all data analyst interviews. If you mess this up, you won't even clear the first screening round. You need two tools, Excel and SQL. In Excel, we are talking about formulas like SUMIFS, index match, and the game changer XLOOKUP that auto-finds data faster than any caffeinated intern. Then pivot tables and charts to slice data like a pro. Talking about SQL, this is the language of databases. Don't learn all of it. Start with select, where, group by, order by, and then level up to the 4 types of join: inner join, left join, right join, and full join. After that, if you can handle a subquery or a simple window function like row number, you are already ahead of 60% of applicants. Now, the time for your month 1 project. I recommend build a sales performance dashboard in Excel tracking trends, or query a e-commerce dataset for repeated customers and revenue spikes. Now you'll be asking, where do I find the data? I have linked the best free Kaggle dataset for you in the description below. Save the video right now to not misplace the dataset. Stay tuned, as later I will show you how to outperform CS graduates by focusing on just this one angle. Drop month 1 ready in the comments if you are in. Month 2 is visualization and business thinking. The goal for the month is to turn raw data into insights that scream, promote me. This is where non-tech backgrounds shine. Data analysis isn't just about what happened. It's about why it happened and what to do next. Enter Power BI or Tableau. Create interactive dashboards tracking key performance indicators like sales growth, churn rates, or return on investment. Learn DAX in Power BI for custom calculation, or calculated fields in Tableau for dynamic visualization. Hiring managers don't want just charts. They want why. Like why that campaign rocked. And for that, you need business statistics. Don't panic. You don't need advanced calculus for it. Just focus on 4 basics: average, variance, correlation and regression, and a simple hypothesis test like t-test. If your CEO asks, did that marketing campaign work? You need to know how to prove it statistically. And this is a killer skill. Talking about month 2 project. You need a project that proves you have the capability to ask why. Build an HR attribution dashboard and calculate the department which has highest employee turnover and why. Or run a marketing campaign return on investment analysis. Publish your work on Tableau Public or Microsoft Learn to start building your portfolio. Also, showcase it on your LinkedIn, tagging the specific company you desire to work at with your own insights in the caption. This will help you get recruiters' attention from your dream company. If you've watched till here, hit that like button. It's your next paycheck. It fuels us to make more roadmaps like this. And comment below what's your biggest roadblock to data skills, time, tools, or tech fear. I will reply to each one of you with a personal tip. And don't forget to subscribe for daily career hacks. Your future self will thank you. Back to month 3. Month 3 separates the hireables from aspirants. This is the final 10% to get you the dream data analyst job. Firstly, learn Python for analytics. Yeah, I know I said no coding. And for 90% of data analyst job, SQL and Excel are enough. But if you want a more competitive edge and a higher salary, spend 2 weeks learning Python. Keep it light. Panda and NumPys for data wrangling, Matplotlib and Seaborn for plots, and optional simple models. No deep dive, just enough to say I can automate and understands the code written by AI. Secondly, case studies and projects. Churn prediction classifying at risk customers. Financial forecasting with time series or e-commerce segmentation spotting stock buyers. Use free datasets like Superstore for sales, HR attribution for people insights, Google Analytics samples for marketing, or finance time series on stocks and crypto. The secret weapon project as promised. Don't just show a dashboard, show impact. Instead of saying build a Power BI dashboard, you must say build a dashboard that reduced reporting time by 20 hours per month. Recruiters don't hire tool users, they hire problem solvers. Every bullet on your resume must show a metric of impact. The final polish. Your portfolio and that ATS friendly resume. Upload your 3 to 4 best projects to GitHub and Tableau Public. Use keywords from job description exactly in your resume. If the job description says data visualization, don't write chart making. Grab our ATS friendly resume template with how to make a resume in the description. So, after 90 days, you have the skills, the portfolio, the impact driven resume, and the confidence. Your non-tech background is your advantage because you already understand the business. Everything you need, the free courses, the datasets, and the secret resume template by Microsoft itself, is linked in the description below. Subscribe right now to not misplace any of the links and to get all the jobs and internship openings for data analyst role and more. What should our next roadmap video be on? AI tools for career growth or alternate career path for SQL learners? Comment your vote below. And of course, hit like and subscribe for your daily dose of career upgrades from Career Buddy AI. See you in the next one.